If you want to make $100 fast in a day, there's a bunch of different ways that you can do it. Here are my top 5. Number 5, you can join the gig economy. Whether it's signing up to drive for Uber or Lyft, or deliver for DoorDash or Grubhub or Instacart, or help someone move through TaskRabbit. Signing up for a gig economy app, you can often start making money on the first day that you sign up. And additionally, many of these apps offer lucrative sign-on bonuses just to get you to sign up after you've completed your first delivery or repair or ride. Check out our favorite list of gig economy apps below. Number 4, you can become a research guinea pig. And whether it's signing up for a local focus group, I once got paid $300 to review a new edition of Microsoft Word for an hour in downtown Chicago, or sharing your opinion online for a new product or service. Doing online market research studies or panels, you can sign up for a number of them through the links below. Whether it's Pinecone Research or Nielsen, you can start making money very quickly. Online, you might have to spend 6 or 8 hours to make $100, but if you go in person, you could probably make $100 to $300 just in a day for sharing your opinions. And in fact, I know one guy in Chicago whose entire full-time job is sitting doing focus groups in person, and he makes about $3,000 a month, which is more than enough to cover his rent. I'm not saying that you should go that far, but becoming a research guinea pig is a quick way to make $100 very fast. Number 3, selling your jewelry or something else online. If you have some jewelry lying around, or maybe you inherited some, or you have an old watch or something in your garage that's of value, you can sell it on a website like worthy.com, and all you have to do is upload a picture and get an appraisal and then actually send in your item, or you can sell it on eBay. So go declutter your basement and clean out your drawers and try to look for something that you could sell very quickly. An important point to note is oftentimes your local pawn shop is going to give you the worst deal for what you're selling. And so look for options online, whether it's selling your clothes or your record collection or a piece of jewelry. You're often going to get a much better price selling it online than in person, and it's worth waiting a couple of extra days just for the payment. Number 2, you can claim sign-up bonuses and cashback rewards. Just by following the links below, you can earn up to $50 immediately signing up for survey sites like Branded Surveys and Survey Junkie, as well as cashback sites like Rakuten and Swagbucks. If you have something that you need to buy today, check out one of those websites because you might be able to get a discount and get a cashback rebate. There are tons of sign-up bonuses, and in fact, we've linked to our best sign-up bonuses below. If you need a new bank account, you might be able to get up to $500 cash bonus depending upon how much money you deposit. If you're interested in signing up for an investing app, you might be able to get a couple $100 bonus. So we've linked to some of the best sign-up bonuses below to help you get that $100 quickly. And finally, number 1 is taking online surveys. We talked about signing up for focus groups and market research studies, but there are a ton of different survey sites on our best survey sites post where we share different sign-up bonuses and how much money you can make in one single day. If you sign up for 3 or 4 of these survey sites and spend an entire day taking surveys, you can likely make up to $100 very quickly. You might have to wait a day or two to get that money to your bank account or PayPal account or to convert it into a gift card. But if you need to make money fast, there's very few things as easy as logging into these survey sites and sharing your opinions for money. Now, I've shared my top 5 favorite ways to help you get $100 fast, and I hope this helps you get the cash you need.